Our admission process, like any other business school, it basically looks at what a candidate can offer. If those students who have got reasonable level of understanding, let's say quantitatively or verbally, and if they are highly motivated to study MBA program, that's good enough for us. And we take up the challenge of converting a raw material into a finished product through effective processes that we administer in Geetham. Yeah, we strongly support the NMAT test. We do understand that NMAT test is a good test that tests the students' abilities in the area of quantitative, verbal, uh, which are very critical for managers to succeed in a vibrant business world. So from that angle, we prefer taking students with NMAT scores. In the past, we had students who joined with NMAT score. Usually, they perform well in their academics, and they also perform well in the placement interviews. We haven't had any case where, in fact, most of our MBA students get placed. We are almost at 100%. But students coming from NMAT background, they are in the top 20-25% of our graduates. The line is very thin. Certain times it's very difficult to say that students coming from a particular route, they do far better than the others. Uh, but in general, as I said earlier, the students who come through the NMAT tests, uh, they do very well. They fare far better than most of the students coming through other routes. I think probably one thing I would like to say, that is useful to us as well. Uh, Here at Geetham, we strongly believe that we can add a lot of value to the future business leaders by focusing on academic excellence, co-curricular engagement, diversity, and holistic development. We are interested more in developing, well-rounded business professionals who can take up the challenges of tomorrow. The scholarships are available to students taking the NMAT test. The programs on which these scholarships are available: MBA, General MBA, MBA Business Analytics, and also MBA Healthcare and Hospital Management. Students who score reasonably well in NMAT examination, they are eligible to apply for a scholarship for doing MBA program. And these are MBA General, MBA International Business, and MBA Business Analytics.